Hello students, let's do some more questions on trigonometry. बच्चे, if you find these questions useful, please share it with your friends. We have sin theta plus sin square theta plus sin cube theta. This is equals to 1. This is given. We have to prove that cos की पावर 6 theta minus 4 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus 8 times cos square theta equals to 4. First step, take sin square theta on the right hand side. In the left hand side we have sin theta plus sin cube theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. What is common in these two terms? Sin theta is common. Inside we have 1 plus sin square theta equals to, what is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. We will try to change every term in the form of cos. Now, sin theta can't be changed in cos theta. What we will do? Squaring both sides. We will square both sides. We will have sin square theta whole square, or sin square theta, one and the same thing. 1 plus sin square theta whole square equals to cos square theta whole square. What is sin square theta? Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 plus, again in place of sin square theta we will write 1 minus cos square theta whole square equals to cos की पावर 4 theta. We have 1 minus cos square theta. 1 plus 1, 2 minus cos square theta whole square equals to cos की पावर 4 theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta into 2 minus cos square theta whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have 2 whole square, 4 plus cos की पावर 4 theta minus 4 cos square theta, and this is equals to cos की पावर 4 theta. Now बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Now we will multiply 1 with whole term, then minus cos square theta with whole term. 1 into 4, 4 plus cos की पावर 4 theta minus 4 times cos square theta minus cos square theta into 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus cos square theta into cos की पावर 4 theta. We will have minus cos की पावर 6 theta and plus 4 cos की पावर 4 theta equals to cos की पावर 4 theta. Now we have cos की पावर 4 theta in the left hand side and in the right hand side. Both get cancelled. Both are having same sign. Now what is left? 4. Keep it aside. Take other terms on the right hand side. 4 cos square theta and minus 4 cos square theta. We will have 8 cos square theta on the right hand side. Minus 6 cos की पावर 6 theta on the left hand side. On the right hand side it will become plus cos की पावर 6 theta minus 4 cos की पावर 4 theta. You can write it as cos की पावर 6 theta minus 4 cos की पावर 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta equals to 4 with. So we have proved our answer. Prove that sin की पावर 6 theta plus cos की पावर 6 theta plus 3 times sin square theta cos square theta equals to 1. Let's take left hand side. Sin की पावर 6 theta. If we have term a की पावर 6, we can write it as a की पावर 2 and outside power is 6. 2 into 3 we will get 6. In the same way we will write sine square theta, outside power is 3, plus cos square theta, outside power is 3, plus 3 times sine square theta, cos square theta. Now we have sine square theta whole cube and cos square theta whole cube. If we take this term as A and this term as B, what is formula for A cube plus B cube? A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. Now what we will get? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta whole square, that is sine की power 4 theta, plus cos square theta whole square, cos की power 4 theta, minus AB sine square theta, cos square theta, plus 3 times sine square theta, cos square theta. What is sine square theta plus cos square theta? 1 into sine की पावर 4 थीटा प्लस cos की पावर 4 थीटा माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 times sine square theta cos square theta. If we multiply 1 with this term, we will get the same term again, sine की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta minus sine square theta cos square theta plus 3 times sine square theta cos square theta. What we will get? Sine की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta. This is minus sine square theta cos square theta. Here we have plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. 3 minus 1, we will get 2 times sine square theta cos square theta. Now, if we write sine की पावर 4 theta as sine square theta whole square, cos की पावर 4 theta as cos square theta whole square, plus 2 times sine square theta cos square theta. What is this formula? If we write a square plus b square plus 2ab, this is formula for a plus b whole square. We have sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square plus 2 times sine square theta cos square theta. We can write this term as sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square. And what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? 1. 1 square is 1, which is equals to our right hand side. If tan square theta equals to 1 minus a square, it is given. We have to prove that sec theta plus tan cube theta into cos sec theta equals to 2 minus a square की power 3 by 2. Now, we have sec theta plus tan cube theta into cos sec theta. This is our left hand side. What is sec? Reciprocal of cos. We will write 1 upon cos theta plus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. We will write sin cube theta by cos cube theta into what is cos sec? Reciprocal of sin, 1 by sin theta. Sin cube theta in the numerator and sin theta in the denominator. We will have 1 plus cos theta plus, here we will have sin square theta upon cos cube theta. What is LCM? Cos cube theta. In the denominator we have cos theta and in the LCM we have cos cube theta. What we will get? Cos square theta plus, here we will get sin square theta. And what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. So 1 upon cos cube theta. And what is 1 upon cos cube theta? 1 upon cos is sec theta. We will get sec cube theta. Now, but what is given? Value of tan square theta. Sec cube theta can be written as sec theta into sec square theta. Can we change sec in the form of tan? We have an identity 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. And if we need sec theta, we can write it as 1 plus tan square theta. In place of sec theta, we can write 1 plus tan square theta into sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Here we have 1 plus tan square theta की पावर 1 by 2 into 1 plus tan square theta की पावर 1. So we will have 1 plus tan square theta की पावर 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 plus tan square theta की पावर 3 by 2. Now, what is given? Tan square theta equals to 1 minus a square. Put the value of tan square theta, which is 1 minus a square. 1 plus 1, 2 minus a square की पावर 3 by 2, which is equals to our right hand side. If sin theta is equals to m upon n, we have to find the value of tan theta plus 4 upon 4 cot theta plus 1. So we have tan theta plus 4 upon 4 cot theta plus 1. What we will do? Tan theta plus 4. What is cot? Reciprocal of tan. So in place of cot theta, we can write 1 by tan theta plus 1. We have tan theta plus 4 upon tan theta is LCM. What we will get? 4 plus tan theta. We have fraction in the denominator. Tan theta will go in the numerator. Tan theta plus 4 upon 4 plus tan theta into, in the numerator we will have tan theta. Tan theta plus 4 and 4 plus tan theta, both terms get cancelled. What is left? Tan theta. Now, the value is given sin theta m upon n. We have to find the value of tan theta. What is tan? Sin upon cos. We have the value of sin theta. What about cos theta? We have cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now cos square theta will be equals to 1 minus m square upon n square, because sin theta is m upon n. So cos square theta is n square LCM, n square minus m square. And what will be the value of cos theta? Under root n square minus m square upon n square. So sin theta is m upon n upon cos theta is under root n square minus m square upon under root n square is n. N and n get cancelled. The value of tan theta is m upon n square minus m square, and this is our answer. If cos alpha upon cos beta is equals to m and cos alpha upon sin beta is equals to m, we have to show that m square plus n square into cos square beta is equals to n square. Let's take left hand side. M square plus n square. What is m square? Cos alpha by cos beta whole square plus n square is cos alpha by sin beta whole square into cos square beta. We will have cos square alpha upon cos square beta plus cos square alpha upon sin square beta into cos square beta. Cos square alpha is common in both these terms. Let's take it out. What is left? 1 by cos square beta plus 1 by sin square beta into cos square beta. We have cos square alpha outside. LCM is cos square beta into sin square beta. Here we will have sin square beta plus cos square beta into cos square beta. Sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1. We will have cos square alpha into 1 by cos square beta into sin square beta into cos square beta. Cos square beta get cancelled. So we have cos square alpha upon sin square beta. We can write it as cos alpha by sin beta whole square. And what is cos alpha by sin beta? This is equals to n whole square, which is equals to our right hand side. If sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, this is given. We have to find the value of cos की पावर 12 theta plus 3 times cos की पावर 10 theta plus 3 times cos की पावर 8 theta plus cos की पावर 6 theta plus 2 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus 2 times cos square theta minus 2. Such a long question. Cos की पावर 12 theta plus 3 times cos की पावर 10 theta plus 3 times cos की पावर 8 theta plus cos की पावर 6 theta. Put this in a bracket. Plus 2 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus 2 times cos square theta minus 2. Clear? Cos की पावर 12 theta can be written as cos की पावर 4 theta का whole cube. We can write cos की पावर 12 theta as cos की पावर 4 theta whole cube, and cos की पावर 6 theta can be written as cos square theta whole cube. Why I have done this? बच्चे, we have an identity a plus b whole cube, which is equals to a whole cube plus b whole cube 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square. This is identity for a plus b whole cube. We have written cos की पावर 4 theta whole cube, cos square theta whole cube. If we take this term as a and this term as b, we have a cube plus b cube. Let's check 3a square b. If we write 3 into a square cos की पावर 4 theta whole square into b is cos square theta plus 3 times ab square. What is a? Cos की पावर 4 theta into cos square theta whole square. What will we get? Cos की पावर 4 theta whole square, cos की पावर 8 theta into cos की पावर 2 theta, 8 plus 2, we will get cos की पावर 10 theta. Here 3 cos की पावर 4 theta into cos की पावर 2 theta whole square, 2 into 2 4, cos की पावर 4 theta into cos की पावर 4 theta, 4 plus 4 8, cos की पावर 8 theta. Here we have simplified these terms. Plus, what is common in these three terms? 2. Inside we have cos की पावर 4 theta plus cos square theta minus 1. Now बच्चे, we have given sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. If we take sin square theta on the right hand side, we will get sin theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. And what is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. We have sin theta equals to cos square theta. We will use this term here. Cos की पावर 4 theta can be written as 9. First, what we will do? A cube plus b cube plus 3 times a square b and 3ab square. We can write it as a plus b whole cube, which is cos की पावर 4 theta plus cos square theta whole cube plus 2 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus cos square theta minus 1. Now cos की पावर 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole cube plus 2 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus cos square theta minus 1. Now what is cos square theta? Sin theta. In place of cos square theta whole square, we can write sin square theta plus what is cos square theta? Sin theta का whole cube plus 2 into cos की पावर 4 theta is cos square theta whole square, that is sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1. What is sin theta plus sin square theta? This is equals to 1. So we have 1 whole cube plus 2 times 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So our answer is 1 cube, which is equals to 1. This is our answer. A very short answer for such a long question. Prove that 2 की पावर 2 times sin की पावर 6 theta plus cos की पावर 6 theta minus 3 times sin की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta plus 1 is equals to 0. Left hand side 2 की पावर sin की पावर 6 theta can be written as sin square theta का whole cube 2 into 3 6 plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 times sin की पावर 4 theta. We are taking 3 inside. Minus 3 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus 1. Now this is sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So we have 2 times sin square theta plus cos square theta, a plus b, a square, that is sin की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta minus ab, sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 times sin की पावर 4 theta minus 3 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus 1. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? This is equals to 1. We will multiply 2 with sin की पावर 4 theta. We have 2 times sin की पावर 4 theta plus 2 times cos की पावर 4 theta minus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 times sin की पावर 4 theta minus 3 times cos की पावर 4 theta plus 1. 2 times sin की पावर 4 theta and minus 3 times sin की पावर 4 theta. We will have minus sin की पावर 4 theta. 2 times cos की पावर 4 theta and minus 3 times cos की पावर 4 theta. We have minus cos की पावर 4 theta minus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. Now what we will do? Minus sign outside. Inside we will have sin की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta plus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. What is sin की पावर 4 theta? Sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square plus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and which is equals to a plus b whole square. So we will have sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square plus 1. And what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1 plus 1. 1 whole square is 1. We have minus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 0. And this is our right hand side.